Hi, my name is Steve Santo, and I'm the founder of Simply Keto Nutrition. I'm here to talk to you today about our free ebook download, the 14-Day Reset Challenge. Now, this is so simple. Just go to www.simplyketonutrition and you can download the free ebook there. You'll see several icons. And once you download it, save it to books, either in your iPad, iPhone, or Android device. Here you can see it on an iPad, and it functions just like a regular book. Now, in the ebook itself, we give you tons of information on the ketogenic diet, the do's and don'ts, but most importantly, we give you a step-by-step guide, day by day, exactly what to do and how to get started. On top of that, when you sign up for the free ebook, you get our newsletter. And our newsletter gives you pretty much everything you need to know about keto. You're going to become the expert. You'll learn about intermittent fasting, carb cycling, all tried and true things that are in our newsletter. So you get that included for free as well. So let me take you through day one just to give you an example. So for breakfast, you're going to have keto pancakes, and I'll talk to you about the reset bundle. This gives you everything that you need to do the challenge. And so you'll have keto pancakes, and you're going to take DBHB. And I'll talk to you about DBHB momentarily. For lunch, you've got options. Now, we know how difficult lunch can be because we follow a ketogenic diet at simplyketonutrition.com. And so it's always tough because everybody wants to go out and grab food somewhere, typically at a Chipotle or a Wendy's or a Chick-fil-A. And we give you all that here. We tell you exactly what to eat at those fast food establishments. On top of that, we give you options if you want to save a little money and make your own lunch and take it to work. Now for dinner, we give you recipes. Now we give you the written recipe and we include a video tutorial on how to make the recipe. And these are super simple, super fast recipes. This one's one of my favorites, sweet and spicy barbecue chicken. It's made with our sweet and spicy rub. It's one of my go-tos. I just love it. I make it all the time. And you can't miss out on dessert. So the first day we made things really simple. You're just going to have chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Now let me talk to you a little bit about the bundle itself and a little bit about the products. Now all of these products have been tested by a third party, and we test everything with a blood ketone meter and a glucose meter to make sure that you're getting a positive response to what you eat. We also did that for all of the restaurant choices in these recipes, so you can rest assured that you're eating keto. You don't even have to follow the macros. So first step, you're going to get pancake and waffle mixes. You're going to get blueberry pancake and waffle mix, banana nut pancake and waffle mix, and our original pancake and waffle mix. Now, what I want you to know about these is not only do they have the best ingredients and no starches, always look out for starches because they will spike your blood sugar, and they should not say keto on them if they have starches in them. These also include the supplements you need: MCT, collagen, and whey protein. It's in every bag. You get the perfect amount per serving. We know how difficult it is to have to mix up a bunch of supplements. We hate doing it, so we simply include it in the food. We also give you this waffle maker. It makes perfect Eggo-sized waffles. They're terrific. I travel everywhere with this. Whenever I go away, I stick it in my bag in a Ziploc, and I make waffles. And I'm addicted to these. I'm literally addicted to waffles. When I'm not eating them, I'm dreaming about eating them. Now, cookies. I simply could not do keto if I didn't have access to cookies, specifically chocolate chip cookies. I've always been addicted to them. They incorporate our keto chocolates, which are fantastic. And they also have MCT, collagen, and whey protein, the perfect dose per cookie. Now, early on, we try to get you to eat pancakes and the chocolate chip cookies or snickerdoodle cookies because you're getting that additional dose of MCT and collagen, which is essential to the ketogenic diet. I want to talk to you about exogenous ketones. A lot of confusion around these. I'm here to clear it up for you. Now, you'll see this as DBHB. Now, what the heck is that? What's DBHB? DBHB is actually the ketone your body produces when it burns fat and turns it into fuel. The fuel is the ketone. Now, other products on the market, they blend LBHB with DBHB, and they do that simply because it's cheaper. We're not going to cut corners. We give you the ketone your body produces. This is a great product. We use it every day. I mean, initially, when you're getting into a ketogenic diet, you should do it every day. You don't need to do that in the future. We recommend just using it as needed. When you need that extra lift of fuel, give yourself ketones. Why reach for a Monster or a Red Bull? Give yourself something healthy without stimulants in it. Give yourself a ketone. We also use it as a pre-workout. We use it for intermittent fasting. It's great to power through the fast. Chocolates. Who could live without chocolates? This is our variety pack. It has mint, cherry, and our original flavored chocolates. They're dark chocolates. They're flavored with allulose, which is a great prebiotic, great snack. Let me talk to you about snacking too. We use cookies for snacking. They're perfectly balanced in terms of the macros. They have MCT and collagen in them. We make a whole batch. We freeze what we don't eat. Then we simply take them out of the freezer. I eat them frozen all the time because they're great frozen. And then I'll just eat them as a snack rather than grabbing some bar that's full of sugar. Last but not least, the rub. This is a game changer. So we love barbecue. Now you can't find barbecue without tons of brown sugar and just tons of sugar, which is terrible for you. This one's flavored with stevia and monk fruit, so it's natural. It's amazing. You'll never miss barbecue again. We use it on tons of stuff. I actually take it out to restaurants. I'll throw it in a little Ziploc, take it with me to a restaurant, throw it on steak or fish, put it on shrimp all the time. It's just great. It's a game changer. So there you have it. There's everything. Always feel free to reach out to us at support@simplyKetonutrition.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and you'll hear from me again soon.